Good morning, everybody. Let's get started at our morning meeting. We need 2 hands, 2 fingers. Let's get started. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good, my friends. Now, yesterday we did not have school. It was a holiday. It was Memorial Day, and we take that time to remember those that were in the military, and we say thank you, and we honor them on Memorial Day. So if yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday. Very good. Today is Tuesday. And yesterday we had the number 25. What number comes next? 26. Very good. To write the number 26, I put a 2 first and then a 6. And together they make the number 26. Very good. Now let's look at our pattern. Yesterday I colored it yellow. Yellow. What color comes next if I just used yellow? You're right. I have to use green next. Green is the next color in our pattern. Very good. Green. Green is the next number or color. So let's say the date today. Today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020. Today is Tuesday, all day long, woo, all day long, woo. Yesterday was Monday, tomorrow will be Wednesday, ding dong ding, ding dong ding. I hope you all had a really lovely weekend with the weather. Let's quickly jump in and talk about our lesson plan this week. So for our lesson plan this week, today we have 2 CVC songs that were written and sung by our wonderful global music teacher, Miss Sarah. So please give those 2 songs a listen and then also have your child write their first and last name. For math today, we're going to practice counting again. Counting is very important for them as they go to kindergarten. So for math today, practice counting to 20 objects. This week, we're going to talk about parts of the body again, head, shoulders, knees, and toes, what's inside of our bodies. It's really important that we understand how our bodies work so that we can use them. Today there is a video for recess. It's a yoga video, so take that time to relax. Maybe do it outside if you can do it in your backyard, maybe on your front porch, somewhere where you can move around. We're going to continue to focus on those home jobs. In school, your child really loves having a job. We rotate jobs, and for them, it's just a sense of accountability and a sense of responsibility, and they feel very, very prideful when they are able to complete their job. So make sure you keep giving them a job in your house and show them that reward. Do not forget that if your child is unable to write their first and last name, please have them write their first name only. And if your child is having trouble counting to 20, focus on counting to 15 and then practice with them counting to 20. If they can count higher than 20, keep practicing higher. We're just trying to scaffold it day by day. There are videos linked in our lesson plan for your child to practice counting to 10 with repetition and counting to 20 with repetition. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me or Miss Lily from 9 to 11. That is when we are most active during our office hours. Although if you reach out to us throughout the day, we'll get back to you as soon as we can. I hope you all enjoy this lovely weather and happy Tuesday. Stay safe.